Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rajab.
I'm Maureen.
Oh wow, and I'm Yvonne.
Yeah, so today we decided to host Yvonne again. As you people know her, she has her own YouTube channel, and we're also going to leave a link so that you can follow it to her YouTube channel. Please support her girl, okay?
Yeah, so for those who have not subscribed, remember to hit the red button and also turn on the notification button so that you can know when we are posting the next videos.
Yeah.
So today we are going to be talking about what our paros used to lie to us when we were younger. And hey, my mom is a liar. My mom is a liar. Really, I'm thinking about it and I'm like, I can't believe she used to tell us that. One of the things, Yvonne, I don't know if your dad used to tell. Yeah. So our mom used to tell us that, you know, when your kids, anything can catch your interest, you know. So sisi tulikuwa tunapenda kucheza na kivuli zetu. Unajua,
when you do like,
we used to love playing with our shadows. Stima zikilost and you're using candles, you know,
with your shadow,
making snakes or what. So mom used to tell us, nyinyi, we'll write the translation or rather we'll just tell you, nyinyi wacheni kucheza na vivuli zenu zitawapiga kofi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like,
and used to like fear that.
What? When she told us, we used to love playing with our shadow.
Playing with our shadow.
Kabisa tuliacha.
Yeah, and then another lie that she told us was that ukiwhistle usiku unaita nyoka.
When you're whistling at night, you're calling a snake.
A snake.
So if you go, and you know me, I don't know how to whistle well. You see the way you're whistling?
Yeah.
Maureen Ebu whistle. Mine, I can't whistle like
straight inside.
You're producing a hissing sound instead.
Yeah.
No, I'm
she
whistling but with my side. I don't know if this happens to you.
Her side like instead of
I'm whistling when I whistle like this, like, you know, with this side. I can't whistle. So she used to tell us when we whistle, we are calling snakes. Do you have like something your dad used to tell you to stop doing something? You're still thinking.
I'm still thinking.
As you're thinking, but see, your dad looks like he was a good father.
No, not really.
He used to let you, but you just can't pick the lie.
Like, I think
somebody got shocked.
Somebody nearly got shocked. Tusikule barbecue this new year and somebody's barbecue.
At least you've had the faces of our reaction when we are terrified.
Yeah. So another lie. I
but
remember
you wanted to tell us something.
I'm trying to. Oh, another lie. This you guys have been lied to, and this is horrific. This is terrible. Like, I'm mad. I feel like our parents, they owe us a lot of money. When we had visitors, a visitor comes in and then she or he gives you 10 bob. Later nikuweke nitakupatia baadaye. Like,
God, true.
My parents, you have my money.
You
know,
and then let's say
you'll never get
you visit a very good family friend or maybe show and then they give you 200 shillings. That was like
a million bob.
To a kid that's a million bob, and then your mom tells you
kids those
days.
So that's another lie.
Kwa mganga na kitawai rudi.
Yeah. So as you think of another one,
another lie that our parents used to tell us, when you sit like this and then you put your hand like this, you know.
I don't know if you can see at the back when you sit like this.
Where did your mom? So
my mom, I believe my mom has so many. I don't know if she was
lied to like that too. I don't know, man. I don't know. So she used to say, when you sit like that, like when you put your hand like that, you are wishing your mom to die.
And me, like, for my mom to die, I didn't want
like,
that.
I know,
right?
Like
that. Why did you die?
But then again, even as we are really stupid, but it reached an age, even as we started asking her, hi mom, mbona tumekuwa tukikaa hivi mzai kufa?
And you know, and also I remember my mom has lied to us about a lot of things. So like I'm trying to make sense of it. How comes sitting like that? Like, I don't know.
How do you call for your parents' death when you sit like that?
Really, surely.
What is that? Unless she was lied to very much. Yeah. But she used to really scare us really.
Or
good.
maybe she just wanted you guys to adopt a good posture
manners,
and maybe manners in some kind of way. But there's this other thing like about food, and I think we were also lied to about that. There's this part of chicken called gizzard.
You
know that story?
Yeah.
Like
gizzard ni sisi tulikuwa tunaambiwa, as we were told gizzard is for old people,
No, not even like all. They specifically said it's for older people, but it's for men. Men who are old.
You know, us since you were raised by ladies, women, my mom and my aunt, them they didn't tell us specifically for men. They said it's for older people, both genders, but older
babies
people.
Don't eat gizzard.
Seriously.
And I'm like, why?
And right now you buy a bunch of gizzards in Tuskies and Texas. We're gonna go to Texas one day, you know.
Amen.
And then there's also this thing that they used to say that if you get a gizzard maybe on your plate and then you divide the gizzard, you'll be fighting forever. And I'm like,
you are told like that?
Yeah, like okay, like, you know, like I was raised by a Luya mom, so like imondo, they call it imondo, like umekatiana na Ray imondo, mtakuwa mkifight. So sometimes, you know, when you fight, it's like ama ni ile imondo. Yeah, so it's
Hey, anyway, so if you have things that you are lied to, like, we'd really like to hear about this. It's very interesting because I know everybody at some point will danganya. And then the universal lie, the obvious lie, that one doesn't really necessarily have to come. It doesn't have to do. We keep on looking at that direction because aki kuna mtu ampigwa shoka hapa.
Yeah, and we're excited because Kenya Power has come.
Fix. They're here to fix those polls. So what was I saying?
The universal lie.
The universal lie, by the way. I don't know if it's but I think it's a universal lie. Ukipita shule nitawanunulia baiskeli. The way we used to work hard for that baiskeli. Let me tell you, I've never been bought for a bike ever.
I'm telling you, our parents was like, you guys, you just give us our money. Me remember like each and every visitor, because we used to have visitors, a lot of them when we were young, and I used to be this laid back kid, you know, like the visitors would come, like you'd send me and I'll just go. You see that kid? I was good when I was young, but I'm also good right now. So like I was that kid mwenye anatumwa, and then nikitumwa I'll probably be given like 50 bob and you know 50 bob hizo hivyo, alafu sasa unakuanga like excited, then your parent just tell like listen nikuwekee, nitakupatia mgeni akaenda kwanza mgeni aende sema nipatie pesa yao
utaambiwa nikikula kwa nyumba yangu for free, all those things.
I know those were lies. And then I think something that is really really like a lie, but people don't also know like how to navigate through it, but it's because also our parents went through that phase. You know, it was I think it's still a lie even up to date, that school is important. School ain't important. Education is important.
Yeah, but I think that is just for, I don't know, for the modern world.
For the
kids
modern
are finding,
because we are not, you know, like as much as we are just told, like we were told to go to school, go pass your papers and all that,
and
but
you're not really taught how to survive the real world.
But then let me tell you, Maureen and I, when we were young, Yvonne, actually we were so adorable, and then, you know, we used to be very brown.
Not like brown
skin girl.
We used to be brown skin girls, not even brown skin girl, brown skin twins, you know. So like we were so adorable. Everywhere we went, everybody just wants to, like, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. So you know, lower primary, we used to involve ourselves in drama, and then, you know, hizo schools za kitambo schools, when you go for drama festivals, like dancing is dancing, and then, you know, for us, it's only in class 5 that we came to Nairobi. So meaning from class 4 kwenda chini, we used to study in Kakamega, you know, those outside Nairobi. So for those areas, when you go for music festival, it's not like Nairobi watoto wamebebwa kama mayai. Uko, if it's dancing, you like, say if
you crack your bones.
If you're there, let's say, Ebu, hold this for me. If you're let's say you're playing like let's say a homemaker who's cooking. It's not
you're
just
cooking as
you're
breaking your bones.
Those used to be music festivals for us. So we used to be really active when it comes to extracurricular activities, you know. And then we came to Nairobi, like it just went like that, you know. We stopped being active, and then when we reached high school, we resumed with singing. So we were in the school choir, and we used to sing very nicely. I know those who are watching from high school, you'll agree with us. We we really used to sing very well, you know. And then after that, again, we stopped taking it seriously. So nowadays, I'm sitting down, I'm thinking, I've done whatever I've done, the course I've done, our career. It's not really like productive as such, because right now, I'm being honest, right now there are no
the
jobs.
money that you want.
There are no jobs. So if you're not creative enough to do, like, to outsource and do your own things and maybe employ yourself, it's very hard to get jobs, you know.
Yeah.
I just sit down and say, why wasn't I told that talent is important? Nyashinsky is singing, Willy Paul anatukana watu social media na anapata pesa, you know, because he's singing, you know. But I really can't blame our parents again, because they don't know. They were not raised to believe in talent, you know.
First of all, they were raised with books, man.
Yeah, they were raised to believe academics was everything, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think that's going to conclude our video.
Maren.
What? What? Or does anybody have something to say?
No, maybe she's the one driving this train. As you're just passengers, you're following. Yeah?
Maren, today I don't know what you've eaten.
I'm super extra.
But then I don't know what I wanted to say. No, I wanted to say I also know how to sing, but in my brains, you know, like,
Yeah.
in my brains, you know, when you sit and there's this maybe Celine Dion or Whitney Houston song, and you're like, until you pause, until
Especially when they hit that high note, you go all the way with that in your brain.
Yeah, but then again, speaking of music festival, I used to love music festival, but in primary school we had this teacher, Mazeo, me wherever you are, just know you killed my career, and this teacher killed my career.
What happened?
This teacher, this teacher only had Luya songs. Whenever we maybe proposed like a different song,
She didn't want.
He was a he, and he was Luya. And there was a time that time I was in class 5 as well, and we used to have this soloist called and the soloist was his baby, you know, his kid, you know. And but she was nice, she was really singing, dance. I went to Frida. Yeah, Frida was a talent, book smart, you know, everything.
She was the full package.
Yeah, she was a full package. So now Frida was in class 8, and you know, they were finishing, they were going. So this mwalimu, maybe, I think I had a potential. So she was like, Yvonne, you're gonna be a soloist. I was like, where? I was like, no, I couldn't relate. Like the Luya song, we were singing like Mwana. It's like, yo, Mwana mama pepe tanga. Mwana.
Yeah,
mama.
I know that. Mwana mama pepe tanga.
And like you have to sing, like you have to.
Yeah. And mean it. You sing it and mean it.
And then there's a song we used to sing, Maze. If we went to primary school, pamoja, Maze, and if you see this video, hit me up. Yeah.
So that
my
teacher
story.
killed you because she wasn't diverse enough to accommodate all students.
Yeah, Angeleta like Kanungo.
Something you'd relate to.
Baby.
To at least easy
you know.
Yeah.
So I don't know. You killed my career, man. Where are you right now? See, look at me. This. I could be performing in arenas in Texas, in New York, in
Grand theaters,
you know.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is what it is.
Yeah,
you
it
know?
is what it is.
Yeah, we learn from the things we've had.
From our experiences.
From our experiences as well.
Yeah, so that is all, I think. Yeah, and if you have an experience, you know, you remember a lie your parents told you.
Yeah, I want to say that, or if you remember a terrible lie your parents told you.
Or if you remember any of us, maybe we went to school together. Or maybe you've been seeing me and you want to buy lunch. I'm not starving, guys, but let a kitu.
Yeah. So remember to subscribe also and leave that comment, and also remember to hit the like button. Yeah, thank you so much.
Bye.